Hey kids, welcome to Naina Art TV. Hey little artist, today we're gonna draw a cool piranha plant from Super Mario. Grab your paper and pencils and let's get started. First, we'll draw the piranha plant's head. Start by drawing a big oval shape, but make the bottom a little flat. This will be the plant's mouth. Now, let's add the lips. Draw a curved line inside the oval, following the shape of the oval. Then, add another curved line on the bottom part of the oval for the lower lip. Next, we'll draw the sharp teeth. Inside the mouth, draw several triangle shapes, pointing down from the top and up from the bottom. Make them nice and sharp. Let's add some details to the head. Draw some small dots inside the mouth and some curved lines on the stem for texture. Now, let's draw the stem and leaf. Draw two parallel lines coming down from the bottom of the head. This will be the plant stem. At the bottom of the stem, draw a curved line to make the top of the pipe. Then, draw two straight lines going down from the sides of the curved line. Connect them at the bottom with another curved line to complete the pipe. And finally, there you have it, your very own piranha plant from Super Mario. Great job, everyone! Now we're going to color our most iconic characters from the Super Mario series, the piranha plant. First, let's start to the stem and leaves. For the stem, use a medium green color. For the leaves, you can use a slightly lighter green to make them stand out from the stem. Add some shading to the stem and leaves using a darker green to give them a more three-dimensional look. Now, we'll color the head of the piranha plant. Use a vibrant red for the head. Be careful around the edges to keep the circle white and curved-looking. You can also add a bit of shading with a darker red around the edges to give it some depth and beauty. Next, let's color the inside of the mouth. We will use a bright red for the inner part of the mouth, making sure to leave the teeth and the plant's lips white. This will really make the piranha plant's mouth stand out. And now, let's color plant's tongue inside of the mouth. We will use a darker red or darker orange for the inner part of the mouth, making sure you did color so gently and evenly without any mesh up. This will really give the piranha plant's mouth cute looks. I hope you had fun coloring with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more coloring tutorials. See you next time!